Hello students, welcome to the MultiGenre Research Project. Over the next weeks, you are going to have the opportunity to engage in a super fun way to show what you know about a topic that you care about. Throughout this school year, you've engaged with a multitude of different texts in a variety of genres. You've read fiction stories, dramatic stories, poetry, informational articles, and argumentative articles. You've explored them by reading text passages, presenting information to your groups and to your teacher through in-class discussions. You've listened to and recorded podcasts. You've had to defend your answer choices, and you've analyzed video texts. Now it's time to put it all together. This video will explain Part 1 of the MultiGenre Research Project. Part 1 involves brainstorming possible topics for your project, selecting a genre that your product will be in, and then writing a product proposal to your teacher so that your teacher knows the goals of your project. The first step is to do some brainstorming around a possible topic for your project. Since you're the one going to be doing the research on it, you want to pick a topic that you care about and then decide, what do you want to know about this topic? You might want to build on something you already know, or you might want to seek out new information. After you've done some thinking about that, you want to consider, what message do you want to communicate about this topic? Finally, you'll select the genre. How will you communicate your message? What kind of product will you create? Which genre is the best to communicate this message? You'll get input from your teacher and feedback from your peers as you go through this brainstorming process. Let's say, for example, a topic that I was interested in is the Olympics. Some ideas that I might wonder about the Olympics are, when were the first Olympics? What sports are the most popular? How are new sports picked? What's the newest sport entered in the Olympics? And maybe who won the first Olympics? These are all things that I might wonder about my topic. As I start to look up information on the Olympics and the initial questions that I have, I come across an Olympic swimmer named Jenny Thompson. As I'm reading about her story, I see that she's the most decorated American female Olympian. She's won 23 national titles. She's enrolled in medical school, and she's just been recently inducted into the Olympics Hall of Fame. As I learn more about her, I decide that her story is something that I want to share in my research project. And the main message that I take away from Jenny's story is that determination can help a person overcome great obstacles. I've gone from the broad topic of the Olympics through exploring some ideas and questions about the Olympics to narrowing my topic to Jenny Thompson, and then deciding the message I want to share based on Jenny Thompson's story, that determination can help a person overcome great obstacles. This is a process. It's not something that happens super quickly, but it will happen as you think about your topic and explore the different things that are related to it. You want to come to a narrow focus on the message you want to present. So take your time as you develop your topic and message, and then think about, what is the best genre that I could use to create an interesting product that will communicate that message? So let me give you some examples of the multiple genres you can pick from. You can create a short, realistic fiction story that has your message as its theme. You can write or do a spoken word poetry project that expresses the message as its theme. You can write a short dramatic scene in which the characters explore your message or idea. You may want to record a podcast in which you pretend to interview someone who is interesting or that you're doing your research about. You can present your message in an argumentative presentation or a debate in which you're convincing your reader that your message is something that is true or should be believed in. You may want to create an informational presentation. This can be an essay, a Keynote, PowerPoint, or Google Slides presentation, or even a videoed informational presentation, pretending you're a news reporter or someone else giving information on your topic. If your topic is a person or an event that's happened, you may want to create a movie trailer that's promoting the exciting message that is going to be coming out in an upcoming movie. As you can see, the genre you pick is up to you, and you have a lot of options to choose from. You can be creative and use your skills in order to bring the message to life. And once you've decided on your topic, the message, and the genre you're going to use, you're going to write a short proposal to your teacher. In a paragraph or two, you'll write a proposal in which you consider the topic to be explored, the genre that you're going to use to deliver your ideas, the purpose of the product, the format or the mode of the product that you're going to use, who the intended audience is for your product, the types of resources you may look up because you anticipate using them to gather information, and any other additional information that you think might be necessary to the success of your project. Once your teacher gets your proposal and gives you some feedback, you'll be ready to start part 2. But for now, it's time to start your topic brainstorm. Have fun!